Okay, this is going to be a semi-quick video on this Consew 3302 double needle feed 4-thread industrial chain stitch sewing machine. This is the machine that does not have a bobbin. You load it up with two spools of thread for the needles and two spools of thread for the chain stitch on the bottom, and you've got 4 different tensioners. You've got 2 on top running the top thread, the top stitch down through here to your needles and your mechanism here, and then we've got, I'll try to get a look at this bottom part. Then your other threads for the bottom. The blue thread I'm running in the bottom comes down through this door on the side, through those 2 tensioners right there, comes across. And I'll pull this plate out, and you've got basically a it's like a serger where you got the loopers down under there. So we'll get that back. I took part of the table off. The front piece of the table, I took that off, and I'll drop that back in. Okay, I'm not going to bother screwing it down, so we might get a little noise off of that when I run the machine, but kind of get a look at what the machine looks like. And this machine, what some people might be pretty common, you could just look at your pants if you're wearing blue jeans. It does a stitch like this down the seam where it's folded over. Your top stitch looks like a regular stitch. When you go to the back side, there you can see the get to focus here, probably too close. You can see the chain stitch on the back, and this one here is the factory on the pants, and this blue thread, that's what I just did with this machine. And this machine's set a little bit wider. I think it's got a 3/8 needle. The width between a needle is 3/8 of an inch. So let me get it on the tripod and I'll show you the machine running. Here's another sample of what, oops, that's the denim with the regular looking stitch on the top, and you got the chain stitch on the bottom. Alright. Should have had the camera set up a little bit higher before I started the video, but this machine, it's kind of nice. Once it takes a while to get 4 threads loaded in there, but there's no bobbins to mess with once you got everything going. This is a clutch motor on this machine. It does have a separate pedal for a foot lift down below. So you can just get up here to the needles, and it's a needle feed machine. So once the needles are in the fabric, they will pull the fabric ahead. And like I said, it's kind of like a serger type machine, just in that it's doing the loopers are doing the work on the bottom to make the chain stitch on the back. and then the top side is just your regular blue jean stitch. So yeah, it's kind of a cool machine. They're not a real common machine. This one is going to be up for sale. So I thought I'd do a little demo running the machine. Let's do a couple layers of denim. Probably won't be able to see the blue thread on the back side. Right there it is. A regular, this is like a Levi's denim thread for the top stitch, and I'm just running a blue thread in the back for the chain stitch. Blends in pretty good in this area. Alright, that's it.